na ipamalas ang pagkamalikhain ng publiko sa free art and guitar lesson sa Art Jamming in the Park dito sa Baguio City Children's Park. Ang Art Jamming in the Park ay programang inilunsad ni Councilor Leandro Biangot upang pabutihin ang talento, kasanayan at pagkamalikhain ng komunidad.
I stayed in Switzerland for almost 4 years, and when I was in Switzerland during the pandemic, I took time to go back to my first love, and that is arts. Because in my younger days, I used to do a lot of creative activities. I draw, I sketch, I paint, I play musical instruments. My father is a music teacher, and my son is also gifted with a lot of creative talent. So after the pandemic, I came back to the Philippines, and sometime November 2021, we opened the first free art lessons class at the Sunshine Park, and from there it boomed, and many of our fellow creatives came into the picture. Then we organized the Baguio Educators Arts Guild, composed of mostly those who are teaching in the public and private schools. Yung mga nandito ngayon kasama ko.
Ang programa ay hinati sa tatlo: ang paggigitara, pagguguhit ng larawan, at ang pagpipinta ng Cordilleran patterns at symbols.
Of course, we joined together with Councilor Yamot sa kanya ng free art. So it inspired us, especially these children in our community. So we try to help them, we try to develop their interest in arts. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. Actually, ma-inspire tayo sa richness ng arts natin in the Cordillera, no? So that is our concept. Doon tayo talaga nagre-revolve yung mga theme natin or yung mga topics natin, no? Mostly on Cordillera, on ethnic designs. Later on, yung mga nagawa ng mga bata, maikukuha yata, mai-exhibit para naman ma-inspire yung mga ibang mga kabataan natin to join this art lessons.
Inspirado at masayang naiengganyo ang publiko na sumali sa mga klase na ito upang mag-aral, humusay at gumaling. Ang mga kalahok kagaya ni na Jayrin Sanyatan at Jay Liza Tikag ay sumali upang subukin at mas pabutihin pa ang kanilang mga talento at abilidad.
I'm also here so that I can represent my personality, which is arts. Leonardo da Vinci, who painted the Mona Lisa, I got really interested and started like drawing and doing art. For our children, if you draw, you don't have to make it perfect. You just have to make it exist first. You need.
Because I wanted to try out another experience, because it's been a long time since I've went in painting and other activities and programs like this po. So this is another experience for me, kasi po onte lang yung magagamit ko pong materials like paintbrushes and just only a few palettes of colors. Oh, so this art piece po shows Panagbenga as a painting. This is the sunflowers, and then these are representations of Cordillera symbolism and patterns. Just practice and keep continuing, even if you're frustrated with the art you are making.
Patuloy na ginugunita ang malikhaing proyekto na ito upang mahasa at mapanatili ang pagiging malikhain ng publiko dito sa lungsod ng Baguio. Bilang komunidad, dapat natin pahalagahan at pabutihin ang ating kultura, pagkamalikhain at talento sa pamamagitan ng pagsali sa mga kurso kagaya ng Art Jamming in the Park. Camille Beray para sa Herald Express.